In this video, I am going to show you how to change your matchmaking region in Rainbow Six Siege. Changing your region can help you find matches faster or play on lower ping servers. Follow these steps to do it. On PC, Steam, or Ubisoft Connect. 1. Close Rainbow Six Siege and open an Ubisoft Connect. 2. Click on the Games and find the Rainbow Six Siege. 3. Click on the Properties. Then scroll down to Game Launch Arguments. 4. In the text box, type Region Settings just region code, replace as region code with the desired region, like Guanujan for Europe or Diaswas, WAN for US West. 5. Click Save and launch the game. Wine Series Das on console, PS4/PS5/Xbox. Rainbow Six Siege does not have a built-in region selection on consoles, but you can change your region by 1. Creating a new account set to the desired region. 2. Using a VPN to connect to a different country. 3. Changing your internet settings to a different DNS or IP that matches the preferred region. Once you've changed your region, restart the game and check your ping in the matchmaking settings to ensure you're on the correct server. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.